Hey guys, in this box is a Brain Teaser Advent Calendar that my wife ordered for our kids. This is the actual box that it came in, so I just wanted to open it up for you real quick and show you how it came and what comes in the box. You can see just what it looks like fresh out of the mail. So it is in there pretty tight. So that's cool. So this shows you all of the pieces and things I believe that it comes with. And here's the actual box. Advent Calendar 2024 Brain Teasers. And then of course you have the doors on the back side there for you to open up. So as I get into it more and start to look at it and start to open up the doors, I'll do another review just to show you some of the things that it comes with. I'll do it a little early before we actually start counting it down so you have a chance to see what you'll be getting, but just wanted to show you that for now.